इमेजिन रात के 11 बज रहे हैं, तुमने लाइट्स ऑफ कर दी हैं और तुम बेड पर लेट चुके हो, पर तुम्हें नींद नहीं आ रही है, इसलिए तुम आंखें बंद करके सोने का नाटक करते हो और उसी नाटक में तुम्हें न जाने कब नींद आ जाती है। The same happens in manifestation. From getting into my dream college to healing my PCOD, from getting confident on camera to having healthy relationships in my life, I manifested it all. Namaskaram, I am Urvashi and I make content on mindset, mindfulness and manifestation. So if any of this topic interests you, follow along and let's heal together. See, there are many techniques with which you can manifest your dreams into reality. But let's not make it complicated. In this video, I'm going to teach you a very simple manifestation technique that I use every single time. And I wish जब मैं beginner थी तो मुझे ये किसी ने बता दिया होता. I call this technique as 3 magical words. I love you नहीं है. 3 magical words are it's already done. Remember in the beginning of this video I told you कि जब हमें नींद नहीं आती है तो हम सोने का नाटक करते हैं. First, we need to pretend that we are sleeping. The same applies in other areas of your life. In order to get into that dream college, you first need to pretend that it's already done. In order to be in relationship with that specific person, first you need to pretend that it's already done. Job, success, competitive exam, vacations, moving abroad, money, anything. First you need to pretend that it's already done. वो कहते हैं ना, फेक इट until you make it. You have to constantly tell yourself that it's already done, it's already happening, I already have it. जब तुम बार बार ये बोलोगे, लिखोगे and you will behave like it, तुम्हारा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड रीवायर होने लगता है और तुम्हारी फ्रीक्वेंसी उस लेवल पे आने लग जाती है. So pause this video, comment down, I already have it. It's already done. Write those 3 magical words. It's already done. Speak with me right now. It's already done. It's already done. I already have it. No matter how many problems come in my life, no matter what hurdles and obstacles are coming in my life, I already have it. It's happening. I already have it. It's done. It's already done. इसमें ना कोई रॉकेट साइंस है, ना कोई टेक्निकलिटीज है. You can literally manifest your dreams anytime, anywhere. While you are driving, while you are in a party, while you are playing, while you are sleeping, anytime, anywhere. The only thing that you have to do is tell yourself constantly it's already done. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये बिल्कुल नहीं है कि तुम सिर्फ बोले जा रहे हो it's already done, but you're not making efforts towards it. You have to make efforts, you have to take action for it. But एक वो जो belief system होता है वो इस टेक्निक को यूज करने से strong होता जाता है. The more you tell yourself that it's already done, it's happening, I already have it, तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट अप होने लग जाता है. एंड इफ यू आर अ बिगनर एंड यू डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्चुअली डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स, बड़े बड़े सपने छोड़ दो अभी 2 मिनट के लिए. लेट्स मैनिफेस्ट अ चॉकलेट. एक चॉकलेट तो मैनिफेस्ट कर ही सकता है, राइट? सो लेट्स मैनिफेस्ट अ चॉकलेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट 7 days. फॉर द नेक्स्ट 7 days you have to constantly tell yourself I already have it. It's done. It's already done. I already have a chocolate. You don't have to buy the chocolate. You don't have to ask a chocolate from someone. It will automatically, randomly come to you. Okay, for the next 7 days, let's manifest a chocolate. एक बार छोटी छोटी चीजें तुम्हारे manifest होने लग जाएंगी, तुम्हारा confidence, तुम्हारा faith automatically build up होने लगेगा and you will continue upgrading your dreams and continue upgrading your manifestations. Okay, so for the next 7 days, let's manifest a chocolate. Remember, once you start pretending, once you start behaving like it's already done, there is no going back. तुम्हें पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि तुम उसी नाटक में तुम्हारे ड्रीम्स कब रियलिटी में कन्वर्ट हो गए, provided that you have taken efforts towards it, you have taken some action towards it. Okay, so start your manifestation journey, practice this technique for the next 7 days, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.